Good morning, Vanakkam. We are all passing through a difficult phase because of the COVID-19 pandemic. At this time, I am sure you wish to have information about how JIPMER is responding to this, and I will share some of that with you. Today is May 7. JIPMER began its first facility for care of corona patients on 27th of January in a separate block. Now we have got ready on the instructions of Government of India a separate 250 bed facility with advanced facilities for care of patients with coronavirus infection. In addition, our lab was one of the first corona labs to be recognized, and we have by now done about 6,000 tests. As of today, we have 3 patients admitted in our hospital. They were admitted about 7 days ago, and all of them are doing well and are stable. During the lockdown, JIPMER has continued to provide all types of emergency facilities. Patients are continuing to get maintenance hemodialysis, radiotherapies are continuing, chemotherapy for cancer is continuing, emergency surgeries are going on, and high risk deliveries are also continuing. The blood bank has continued to function. About 15 days ago, we started OPD facilities on teleconsultation. In this, patients who have been followed in JIPMER can call up 0413 229 8200. Let me repeat, 0413 229 8200 between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. daily from Monday to Saturday and fix an appointment. At the appointed time, a doctor will call them, discuss their problem with them, and from tomorrow we are starting another feature. At least selectively we will call patients to the OPD. If on teleconsultation a doctor thinks that a patient needs to come to the hospital, then the patient will be given a fixed date and time appointment for visiting. We are not yet able to ask all patients to come to the OPD without any appointment. At the appointment, the patient can have only one attendant. There are challenges in opening the OPD like we used to have earlier. We used to get 8,000 to 10,000 patients every day, and with them an even larger number of attendants. With that, social distancing norms cannot be followed, and that would lead to spread of disease from the hospital itself. Hospitals are supposed to heal, not to give people infection. Also, we have to continue to be prepared for coronavirus facility, and a large number of our staff are involved in that. Therefore, we will gradually open up. We are increasing our facilities. First, we will begin with facilities that do not exist elsewhere, and then go on to larger areas and the more common facilities. Yes, sir. And one more thing. We know that many patients are receiving drugs for a long time from JIPMER. We are working to see to it that within the next few days we can create some procedure by which the distribution of drugs from our pharmacy will become possible against the previous prescriptions that the patients have. I request cooperation of everyone in making this gradual, graded, in phases opening of the hospital possible. We all need to open these facilities, but at the same time ensure that the hospital is safe and people do not get infection on coming to the hospital. Thank you.